Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Photos on Android in 2026. I'm using a computer to demonstrate the steps, but the same Google Photos account and features also work on Android phones. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you are not already signed in. After signing in, you will see your Google Photos library. This is where all of your backed up photos and videos are stored. At the top of the page, you can use the search bar to quickly find photos. On the left side, you'll find sections like Photos, Albums, Favorites, Videos, and other collections. To add photos to your Google Photos account, click the plus Create and Add Photos button in the top right corner. Then click Import and choose from Computer. Select a photo and click Open. Once the photo is imported, open it to view it. You can share it, edit it, download it, or delete it if needed. On an Android phone, simply open the Google Photos app and sign in with the same Google account. Your imported photos will automatically appear in the app. You can also create albums, search for photos, mark favorites, and access your photo library from any Android device. Google Photos makes it easy to store, organize, edit, and access your photos from anywhere. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Photos on Android in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.